So reach and frequency for us is very important. Kokai gave us the opportunity to know where is the optimal frequency to reach our users and the ones that perform in the KPIs that we wanted. One of the tools is the reach and frequency, where we control in real time the frequency of our campaigns and our strategies, and to know which frequency is the most valuable one for our KPIs. There's a term that the trade decks use, and nowadays is very important, is the fatigue. We are over impact for a lot of brands. If you don't know how many times you're reaching those users and the impact that those frequencies put on your KPIs, you won't know which one is the best one. Also, thanks to the control over campaign group frequency, we know reaching 5-6 frequencies per week is the optimal one.